Hello everybody, it's Tiffany from The Organized Option, and I'm here today to show you how to put together our file masters. Now, file masters, basic boxes, some of the boxes for the zip and go bags, they all are assembled the same basic way. So when you get your file master in the package, you are going to have 5 pockets. And in one of the pockets, you're going to see that there are the stickers for the label tabs of the pockets. And then you are going to have the box, which is going to come flat like this. Now, the most important thing about assembling the box is folding it on all the score lines first. And if you've been around TT or the Organized Option for any length of time, you've heard me talk about this. This is the easiest way to get the straightest edges on any of our boxes, any of our products that come this way. So take a minute first, fold on all those score lines. Right, even the little tabs here, little tabs here. You want to fold on all of those so that when you're ready to assemble, everything is going to go together nice and neat and easy. So now instead of flat, your box is going to look a little bit kind of jumbled up like this. Now let's switch over to the overhead and we'll put it together. So basically, the box is going to kind of self-fold once you do on those score lines into the right shape that it's supposed to be in, right? So we've got the bottom, we've got the tabs on the bottom, we've got the sides. Now, when you're inserting the tabs, you're just going to kind of push it in a little bit at an angle. I'm not sure how much you can see well here. You're going to put it in a little bit at the angle, and you're going to listen for that pop, right? You're just going to work your way around the edges of the box, inserting and listening for the pop, and you're going to assemble the sides, or each side first, side and back together first. Super simple. Again, just listening for that pop as you insert the tabs. And then last, you're going to assemble the top. We're going to fold down this flap here. It's going to make the front of the box. And then we're going to insert the small tabs here into the slots here. And that is what is going to create the lid of your box. So it's really pretty simple. You just pop those tabs in. And again, you're going to hear that little snapping sound when you get the tabs popped in. So last tab, you're just going to push it in. You're going to hear that little snapping sound. And voila, your basic box, your file master box is assembled. Super simple, super easy, and you can add your pockets. Now, each of the file master boxes come with the 5 tabbed divider pockets, the flip-flap pockets, right? They have the flip-flap lid and the little label stickers. But as you can see in there, it'll hold a lot more than just 5. So depending on what you are doing with your file masters and what you're storing in them, you may need extra pockets, and those are available by the individual sizes in packs of 10 on the website. Thanks so much for watching how to assemble your file masters. We'll see you soon.